unplanned trip, a plane ticket to Nepal, taking holidays out of busy schedule, getting time, and 3 days of trekking, sleepless nights, barely eating food, and after a lot of struggle, this is what you see. It's just fantastic. The view is fantastic. We are just happy and proud to witness this moment. The mighty Annapurna in front of our eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Tribhuvan International Airport. Welcome to Kathmandu. The outside temperature is 20 degrees centigrade and the local time is
Right now we are in our day 2, so we are starting our trek. So night we stayed in Millennium Lodge and Restaurant. So today probably we are planning to reach Himalaya. If not, we will go to Dowan and stay there for a night and call it a day. Yeah, let's see how our days go.